Leslie here. Welcome to my daily nature journaling video. As I was sitting down here, I had a topic in mind, and then I looked up and there was a hummingbird just hovering, and it was completely wondrous and unexpected, and wow. So I thought we could write today about a moment of wonder that you experience in nature. And it doesn't have to be a visit from a hummingbird, which is pretty spectacular. It can be something really small. Can you find a moment of wonder in something really small, maybe really ordinary, that would seem very ordinary? Maybe a bee landing on a flower, or even a fly landed on my arm, and I noticed it, and it was just a moment of being together with another creature. So explore what a moment of wonder can be for you. So take a couple of minutes and write about a moment of wonder, and what a blessing that is. All right. Okay, so I'll read you what I wrote, and maybe you'll share what you wrote in the comments. Sitting here wondering what to write about when your little being zoomed into view. And I wanted to get my video, but wasn't fast enough, and I wanted to see her or him with my own eyes and not through the lens of the camera. So I often think about that. I want to be really present sometimes, and I don't want to put the camera between me and what I'm looking at or being with. And so just something to think about. Sometimes just experiencing it, sketching it, writing about it can help you remember it more than even if you had a photo. Okay, sitting here wondering what to write about when your little being zoomed into view, silhouetted against the dusky sky, hovering over the petunias. And it made me wonder, does the hummingbird like the petunias? They certainly look like they might. They're very colorful, and they're kind of like designed like a hummingbird might like them. It felt like a blessing, a touch of the divine, to see a hummingbird, a creature that transcends boundaries, that hovers and zooms and makes her own buzzing sound, so delicate and impossibly light. And rare, at least here, at least to me. And so I take this moment as a blessing. Grateful that you came to remind me about life's preciousness and about the wing beat of the moment. So, yeah, this is what being out in nature and paying attention is all about. Connecting us to life, to ourselves, to the life within us and the life around, and to be in wonder about it. To be in wonder and awe and just joy in the sheer beauty of it all. I think for this sketching prompt, I'm actually going to try to draw the hummingbird from my memory. So see if you can draw whatever it was from your moment of wonder from memory. So if it's not even something tangible, maybe it was just the wind or something, just do mark making, expressive mark making that can illustrate the wind for you. So I'm gonna do a quick sketch from my mind, from my mind's eye, from my memory of the moment of the hummingbird just a few minutes ago. All right, so let me try to sketch my hummingbird friend that zoomed by. So it's like the body was kind of this. Here's the head, wings. Just thinking about how hard it must have to work all the time. Its little body. Yeah. So there's a quick, and then maybe I'll do like, if I can do it like, so I hope you found a moment of wonder. It can be the smallest, tiniest thing. It can really be just the wind in the trees, the breeze on your skin, and you can find ways to express that through words and through gestural lines. So it's all about connecting to life, and hopefully in every moment. All right, see you tomorrow.